In this video, we would like to give you a short introduction to Konsolidator. Konsolidator is a subscription-based software that automates and ensures a consistent financial consolidation and reporting in a fast and simple way. In the financial world, we have seen the same digitalization as in many other areas. During the years, this has been a huge development and improvement for finance professionals. From the 19th, where some on-prem consolidation tools entered the market, but only the largest companies were able to buy. Now we are adapting to the cloud technology. Cloud products are fast and easy to onboard, no IT department is involved, and at a low price. So, start the onboarding journey and improve your finance function with Konsolidator. Konsolidator's cloud-based consolidation software is the application you need to remove the complexity from consolidation, enhance reporting, digitalize your department, and save time and resources so you can focus on what is important and gain back time for financial analysis in order to make better decisions for your group. So, let us show you how Konsolidator, in a simple and intuitive way, will empower the finance function with fast business insights and valid financial management reports. Now it is time to turn to the Konsolidator application and look into the three main menu points that are needed in order to perform your consolidation. First is upload, then journals, and finally consolidation. These are the only 3 steps a customer does every month or whatever consolidation frequency applied. If we start with the upload, it is a simple upload of the trial balances, year-to-date figures in local currency. You import your trial balances from your ERP system to Konsolidator either via the provided Excel template or an API or robotics, so it is even easier and more automatic. Let's take a quick look at the Excel template. When using the Excel template, there are maximum 6 variables depending on your input. These are company short name, local account number, local account name, dimension, or you may call this segment, amount, and counterparty for intercompany elimination purposes. An upload is possible for all companies at once, as you can distinguish between the companies based on the added short name. Now to the actual upload. We are in the period December 2021, and we have chosen our file with our trial balances in the upload format. So we click here in order to upload files into Konsolidator. What we simply will see is that we all at once upload for all companies. So, you can easily see if an upload is balancing, as Konsolidator will show green. If not, the line turns red as here. The application has established 2 checkpoints, here and here, which both should sum to 0. Further, you are able to see net profit or loss, total equity, and total assets for the specific company. An upload can easily be deleted, or you can upload again and the existing will be overwritten. So, this was the first step. Now to the second one, where we go to journals. It is here in Konsolidator that the post entries and automatic eliminations are done in order to go from local GAAP to group GAAP. It is also in this step where Konsolidator automatically creates journals related to, for instance, the calculation of minorities and currency translation adjustments, as well as the different intercompany elimination types your group may have. For consolidation purposes, Konsolidator uses 3 types of journal entries. Adjusting journal entries, which are used for adjustments to a company's bookkeeping, so these are posted at a company level. Reclassification journal entries, which are used for reclassifying accounts, meaning that these journal entries are also posted at company level, and elimination journal entries are used for eliminations within the group and consequently posted at group level. Right now we see a red notification here. We click and confirm, as this is how you are guided and told that Konsolidator needs to calculate in order to create the journals and get the right numbers. Now the button isn't red any longer, so let's try to go to elimination journal entries and take a look. For the different journal types, there are predefined journals called system journals. These are the journals Konsolidator prepares for you for all groups and subgroups and automatically creates journals related to, for instance, calculation of currency translation as already mentioned. The manual journals can be created to the extent needed. However, the manual journals such as these intercompany eliminations are created and done automatically as soon as they are specified for your group. Journals where debit and credit do not balance are marked in red and cannot be posted. If you have some journals that should not be posted, you just make sure that the check mark here isn't added. Finally, it is of course possible to copy journals also from one period to another and add attachments for documentation purposes related to the specific journal. Let's go back and say we have finalized the journals that need to be posted for this period and all calculations are done because this is not red. Now we are ready to consolidate. Let's go to the consolidation page. Here I do one click at Consolidate. My consolidation is soon done and it is documented when the consolidation was performed and by who, so there is full transparency. Soon you will also be able to see that the status here is closed where it was opened before. You can see the date and by whom it was done here. If needed, it is of course possible to open a period again, do an upload and add a journal and redo the consolidation. So, upload, journals and one click within the consolidation model are the 3 steps in Konsolidator that is needed in order to do an actual consolidation. After that, you can of course go to reports and download a consolidation report. Now to an example of the outcome with regards to the management reporting you can get with Konsolidator based on the consolidations you are performing each period. Let's say monthly. In this example, we see our dashboard report. The report presents the P&L for the current month and the current month last year, along with examples of key figures. We can simply go in and change the month in the input sheet, or year for that matter, like this, and the figures will update accordingly. Another example of how input can be changed is the group accounts that are adjustable, meaning that it is possible to add more group accounts or hide some of the current ones if preferred. The layout of these reports will be set up once, and going forward the only thing needed is to go to Data and refresh all. So the period and the data is updated when you have done a new consolidation. All this is done via Konsolidator's API, used to retrieve data from Konsolidator's data warehouse to Excel, Power BI, or similar. In this example, we have used Konsolidator's own reporting tool, Connect. With Konsolidator Connect, it is possible to present your numbers in the way you would like. We have built these different kind of templates for management reporting for your inspiration, and you will get access to those via our Konsolidator community, and then it is possible to adjust so they fit your group, and thereby build your own reports with company-specific design. The last thing we would like to show you in our application is our Konsolidator community. As a user in Konsolidator, you can find it in the lower right corner with a green icon every time there is an update, and it is visible no matter which page you are working in. In this community, you are able to find all kinds of learnings, communications, and search for inspiration. This is seen in terms of guides, with, for instance, video tutorials and articles, access to webinars, different kind of reports, both connect reports elaborated on earlier in this video and work reports which you can benefit from when working in Konsolidator. And finally, announcements about the most recent product updates. We continuously update our community, and as a user, it is likely that you quite often will look into this because it is here our customer experience team will post something that could be relevant for you. Konsolidator is a simple and easy application, but of course questions can appear, for instance because our product has been updated or you would like to search for new inspiration. And it is here our community comes into the picture, a platform where you can access all kinds of information and communication in one place and via one channel, kept simple in the same way as the Konsolidator application itself. If it's time to bring the digital transformation to your finance department, a few words on our simple and fast onboarding. It's divided into 4 phases, starting with the design, where the settings are adjusted to fit your group. The second phase is the mapping of local accounts into group accounts and the upload of trial balances for the given period. And then it's time to start the actual consolidation and reporting. After a couple of consolidations together, it is time to go live. Of course, we are here to help and support you when working in and with Konsolidator, both during and after the onboarding. In general, we estimate the duration of the onboarding will take approximately 6 weeks. So, start the onboarding journey and improve your finance function with Konsolidator.